I heard an interesting problem today about ants. So here's the situation. We've got 1 million ants and we've got a plate which they're all standing on. Just a 1D plate, and it's 10 centimetres long. Now the 1 million ants are randomly distributed along the top in some sort of distribution. We're not sure what it is, it won't matter. Each of the ants moves at the same speed. They move at 1 centimetre per second. But they're going to all be travelling in random directions. Now whenever two ants collide into each other, they're going to go outwards. They're just going to bounce off each other. The ends of the plate are open, so each of the ants will fall off the end. So the question is, how long until all the ants fall off the plate? There's actually a really nice solution to this. It's worth having a think before I tell you, so you might want to pause the video, but here we go. When we have two ants collide into each other, say the situation is this. We've got ant number 1 and ant number 2, and they're going to go at each other 1 centimetre per second. Eventually, they're going to meet somewhere, and then they're going to bounce back. Well, instead of thinking of them as bouncing off each other, instead what we could do is we could pretend they just went through each other and we'll get exactly the same situation. So if this ant went, it's still there, and then it just carried on, and this ant, it's there, and it just carried on, that's exactly the same situation as if they bounced off each other. So to think about this, the problem in a simpler way, we can just have all the ants not colliding into each other and just carrying on in the same direction, because that's identical as the situation. So the longest it could take any ant to go off the edge would be if it started at one end and then it went off the other end. So it takes 10 seconds. So the original problem where they're all bouncing off each other, similarly, the longest any ant can take is 10 seconds. That is an upper bound, so it could take 0 seconds if they were all on the edges ready to go off straight away, but we bounded it somewhere between 0 and 10 seconds. And given that we've got so many ants, then it approximates, one of them will have had something approximating that longest route, and so it's probably close to 10 seconds. It's neat.